This video I'm going to demonstrate how to use the assisted parking on this 2022 Chevrolet Equinox Premier. First thing we're going to do is push the button which turns that on. Got to be in drive first, and you'll get this menu, and this way you can choose what kind of parking you want to do, parallel, perpendicular, and what side your vehicle will be parking on. We'll move it to the left side. All right. So it's scanning right now for a parking spot. There's the stop, and you're going to put the shifter in reverse. You'll get this little arrow telling you when to completely stop. There you go. It's all parked. Truth be told, could have definitely parked much quicker. It is a nice feature though to help park and get you right in there in the center. Thanks for watching.